Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S and the AirPods, and I'm going to show you how you can connect this to the device. At the first you have to open charging case of the AirPods, then click and hold this button. Let's make it. When this indicator starts blinking, you have to release that key. Move to the Bluetooth settings on your Mi Mix. Tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth. When the AirPods pops on the list, you have to simply tap on them, just like that. Okay, as you can see, it takes too much time. The pairing is probably, impossible right now. Let's turn off the settings and let's go back here. Let's check what is going to happen. Let's tap another time to pair. And as you can see right now, we are able to connect. So just click OK, and that's it. As you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.